Hi, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show how to download Git on Windows. But before installing, let's first check whether Git is already installed on your system or not. First open command prompt, type cmd and write git version. So it is showing Git is not recognized. That means Git is not present. So now let's install Git. Open your browser and search Git download. Here we can see it is showing Git install. You can click this link. So it is official website. So we are choosing as Windows. So here we can see it is click here to download. Click this one. So automatically download will be start. So now double click. For user account control, click yes. For license purpose. Now we are ready for next step. Make as default. This one is Vim editor. I will show after installation how to use. Make as default. Make as default. This one also same. Next. Make next. Make next. This one also same. Make next. So here also choose default behavior or merge. This one also Git credential manager. Make as go next. Let's install. So now installation is done. Launch Git Bash. Now click finish. So this one is Git Bash. Now let's verify Git installation. Open command prompt. Type cmd. So here write Git version. Now we can see it is installed 2.53 version. Now it is done. This is our Vim editor. It is same like cmd. I am going my C drive. Now it is showing C. If I want to print the directory, so pwd print working directory. So this one is my C drive. If I am clicking ll, yeah, ls minus lrt, so it will show all the file what is present inside my C drive. So I am going to Rashes file. So enter. Now it is showing C Rashes. It is the directory. Same ls minus lrt list of all directory. So here it is present all. Thank you.